Hey, I'm Hannah. I'm an online business owner and a mentor. What is my online business? My business is in affiliate marketing or attraction marketing. In this business, there is no selling, no inventory, no bagging of friends or relatives, for we generate income online using a tested and proven automated system that runs 24/7. What do I mean by this? We are in digital marketing, whereby we don't need to buy and stock or go looking for friends or go looking for family members or selling any products to people because we in affiliate marketing. In this business, we run our business from anywhere, anytime, simply because we use our devices, that is, our phone, laptops, or tablets, and a good internet connection. Today, we are over 180,000 business owners in our community. How come we are growing every day? Because today, this is the norm. People are generating money online simply from their own comfort, on schedule. You want to learn more about my online business, how you can start your own and app running. I invite you to sign up on my website with your full name and best email that we can send you a no cost complimentary business workshop that will present to you our business that you too can learn and start your own digital business. Today, digital is the way to go. People are working smarter and not harder. Why not you? Check it out. Sign up on my website.